Hello guys, welcome to the Weight Loss Doctor YouTube channel. In this channel, we normally talk about lots of ideas on health, diet and exercise. In this particular video, so exercise and coronavirus. This is a strange topic I'm bringing up today. See, do you need to do exercise for coronavirus prevention or in the lockdown period? Can't answer in a single line. Just listen to the 3 points. Number 1, this lockdown period of 21 days, I don't know, it may be extended further, and sitting down in your home all the time, just getting up from bed, moving to the washroom and going to the news channel and getting frightened and discussing it with the other fellow people and now getting to the bed. This whole cycle is making your brain corrupt. What it does, it makes you frightened, it makes you depressed. So to get over it, what you can do? You can go for exercise, because exercise can lead to secretions of endorphins and enkephalins. They're actually some chemicals, the neurotransmitters that makes you happier. So you will get off that stress, you will get off that anxiety and depression that you are finding from that all the coronavirus scare going all over the world. So it can help you psychologically and mentally, number 1. And number 2 is a very important point. See, this disease, the COVID-19 one, it cannot be prevented by increased immunity, but it can be fought better, right? You can have a better immunity with regular exercise habit and with proper diet and correct guided lifestyle. For that, if you are doing regular exercise, even at home, when your gym is closed and still you are trying to do exercise on an average daily and you are getting off stress, that in turn increases in immunity, and that in turn helps in you protecting from getting infected and getting sick with coronavirus. It can't be prevented by doing exercise. I know that, everybody knows that. But if you get infected, the chance of morbidity, the chance of getting you more sick is drastically reduced by a better lifestyle, having good diet and good exercise. And number 3, if you are an exercise freak and you are getting off that habit, will not help. It will make you heavier. It will lead to a lot of weight gain, because as you know, you have seen lots of people doing regular basis gyms and they're getting off the gyms and eating a lot and they're getting so depressed and having cortisols all over. They just get fatter. You can't afford that. You are a regular gym goer, you are paying a lot for the gym and exercise, and you are having a good lifestyle, I suppose that, and suddenly you are driven home and you are sitting there all the time and not doing exercise and moving from couch to bed and washroom, just screws up your lifestyle and it will lead to fat gain definitely. So just, if you can't do that gym, try to replicate in your home. Do some home-based exercise, do just move your body parts. Our body moves in some planes like pushing or pulling in that shoulder level, and squatting or picking up something is called hip hinging. Those movements need to be replicated, and if possible you can have the movement or locomotion on your treadmill or that cycle, if you have those things in your home. But if it's not there, you still need to do free body exercise without anything, just to keep things going until things brighten up and you can get chance to get in your gym again. So that's for now. Don't lose hope and don't stop your exercise, for God's sake. You need to carry on those and you will never get fatter, you won't get depressed, and you will find a better way to combat with this COVID-19 scare.